To the ground, and she's small. It was like a lion taking down a baby zebra.
They were all tourists sitting cycling in her camouflaged SUV watching the injustice.
Injustice? They found cyanide in the coffee.
My wife, the baby zebra, is obviously being set up. She breeds helper puppies for blind children. I mean, she's no killer.
Freshman year of college at Utah State University, which we absolutely loved, and UVU is awesome too, but it's just not the same as Utah State University. But that's A-okay. So we lived in this really cool place called Snow Hall, and it was like a hospital because it was like purple on the outside, and the windows from the outside looked like crosses, and it was like way weird. So we lived in a hospital building, and we were like the inpatients. It was really funky. So moving on.